Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is an awesome update on the Workflow Builder. That's right, we have a new AI action. So let's jump in here and I'll walk you through how it works. So first of all, we've just launched a powerful new AI action in the Workflow AI Suite. Decision maker. So the idea here is the AI decision maker uses natural language instructions and context to automatically route leads or contacts to the next relevant workflow path. So that sort of sounds complex, but let me break it down for you. Basically, it's a AI powered if else. So it's sort of like, before you could be like, if X equals 1, then do this. It's like a very, algorithmic kind of thing. Now it's like, hey, if the following sentence looks positive, then I want to go forward. And now we're going to use AI to look at the sentence and make a determination. So let's walk through this a little bit, and you'll, if that explanation didn't help, this should. So a couple of things. So AI decision maker action. So it empowers your workflows with smart automated decisions based on dynamic input and tailored instructions. It's got context-aware branching. So based on the provided instructions and context, the AI will intelligently route context to the next appropriate branch. Also, it has a very flexible design, so it supports complex logic and multi-branch decision making without code. And it has a built-in safety net, so it includes a non-editable default branch, so that if none of the user-defined branches match, it'll automatically go down that branch. So you can kind of see this here on my screen here. It says Workflow AI Decision Maker. So the first thing is, hey, if it's send discount offer, go there. If it's assigned, go there. If send case study, go there. And if not, if none of them match, go default. And let me show you how this works. So the idea is you're going to come in, you create the branch, and let's say the branch is assigned sales call. And here's the description, right? Trigger a sales call task and assign the lead to a BDR for a direct outreach. And then you can create all these different branches within there. And so then the idea here is, here's the instructions on the decision maker. So basically it's, hey, determine the best next step in a marketing automation flow for a lead based on their engagement and profile. The goal is to improve the conversion rate by delivering the most relevant follow-up actions. And then there's a bunch of other detailed information you can give it, right? The company receives 10,000 support tickets, 60% of queries, yada, yada, yada. And all of this goes into the idea that when the decision maker is trying to make a decision based on the information that you've given it and on the prompt, as well as the incoming variable or data that's already available in the workflow. It then comes out with which branch to use. And you can see down below, basically where you can then, you're defining these branches, sorry, back here. So you're saying, hey, listen, trigger sales task if the lead matches the following criteria, and then it'll branch. And then, of course, there's the default as well if it doesn't match that. So anyhow, you will see this now in the Workflow AI section. And again, if for whatever reason this doesn't make sense to you, don't worry. You can see the how to use here on the right-hand side. And then also, here's a good use case example. Imagine a lead is submitted a form for your pricing with the Decision Maker AI and their past engagements. Also, you can route them to one of three paths. So this is what's cool, right? Context aware. It knows, hey, if this lead has been seen before, it knows all the information about them. So maybe you want to send them a discount offer. So if they've bounced from the pricing page multiple times, we might want to send them a discount offer. If not, by default, maybe what we're going to do is we're going to say, oh, if they're a high value segment, we're going to sign them a sales call. Or if they're mid-level value, we might just send them a case study. And then finally, of course, anybody else, we'd send them to the default branch. So obviously, we're going to have a full changelog out and support doc on this. But for those of you who want to get an early jump on this, you can. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.